All right. Williams, Philippines. How are y'all doing today? It is Tuesday, May 20th, 2025 at about noon. Hereafter. I did something I don't usually do. I ran out my house without my spies. Yeah. And I wanted to go check on a SIM card for one of them. I don't know. Uh, got some folks talking on the comments. Uh, yeah, one of those drive traffic your way places. Throw money at us, we'll send. Yeah, thanks, no. It would be nice if it would help, but it's really not, in my opinion, helpful. So, yeah. Anyway, yeah, the phone, I was kind of glad to get out the house. I was just in a mood not to have it with me, and I ran off, and yay, it was a peaceful day. I didn't have it ringing while I was out and about. Uh, this is the one that's got a wasn't right. The one that is right came in, and I'll be trying to tinker with that. I didn't get to my um, Mac Air last night. It's still in the box. Uh, yeah. I had a bunch of things that made me, well, round the parking lot 3 extra times and onto the third floor 3 times, second floor twice, and first floor 3 times. Yeah, fun stuff. So I got some extra exercise, which is good. Uh, yeah, we have guests come in, and when they use cash, we have a $100 deposit. When we do that, I have to go check to make sure that they didn't walk off with anything or throw the building through the window. Yeah, or the window through the building, something like that. Uh, I got to go check that out and make sure that everything's still there. So apparently, we had a lot of people that came in with cash yesterday. I don't know. It is what it is, but that's okay. We'll take them with cash or credit card. It's all debt anyway. Yeah. It would be nice if we were using real money still, but we got rid of the last bit of that back in '64 and then completely end the backing for foreigners by 73. Nixon took us off the standard. Yeah, not good. It is what it is. Anyway, uh, my cousin did that, came by and we did that stuff yesterday, and I can tell you, I am sore from that. And I really didn't feel like climbing up and down the stairs, but it is what it is. They pay me to be there. Yay. And that's a good thing. Uh, yeah. Even on days that you don't want to adult, you probably need to. And you don't have to. God gave us choice. But choices have consequences. Yeah. It is what it is. I don't know. Could be worse. Anyway, yeah, I've decided I'm going to go ahead and pack the little Mac Mini uh, server thing along with a couple of hard drives, so I can make a NAS out of it if I can get it fixed. If not, I've got the little GM Tech G2. There we go. That's upside down, but yeah, I can always turn it into one. I don't know. Probably should get a Raspberry Pi. Here they've got the new fives or something like that. Of course, I just got rid of a bunch of zeros, ones, twos, threes at the Ham Radio Fest. Ham Fest auction or sale, garage sale. Yet, so what am I doing? I'm wanting to. I might be crazy. I'm wanting to get another Raspberry Pi that I've just got rid of a bunch of them, so I could. Yeah. Okay, I'm crazy. I have fun with it though. uh, let's see. Yeah, went out to try to mow, and that battery is dead. The other one was in the charger. Yeah. Well, it's not dead. It just ain't keeping power like it should. Comes off the charger, and it's like you can watch it drop. So, not good. It will run on one battery though, but the other one was in the charger. So, yay. I get to do that tomorrow. Because, well, it's okay. And I'm going to get the painting. I think I'm pretty much, I got to paper out a window and seal you know, seal a couple of electric plugs, and then I'm ready to paint. So that room, the hallway, the living room, and a bit of the entrance to my kitchen. So, yeah. Try to do that Thursday morning, Friday morning, or, well, Wednesday night, Thursday night, and then hopefully get the real estate lady over here either Friday or uh, sometime Monday, maybe. I don't know. Maybe she'll come out on Saturday. She came out on Saturday last time. Or was it Sunday? I don't remember. Yeah. Anyway, it is what it is. And it's getting closer and closer to the days for me to get out of here. I'm so ready. Yeah, I got to get more things into boxes and more things out and paint on the walls, at least inside. Part of me wants to try to do the outside too. I don't know. We'll see. Uh, got all the paint. Anyway, what else was there? Yeah, I was talking to somebody about adulting, and I've had that on my mind. And that's kind of why I ran out the door and left my spies, leashes, whatever you want to call them. They seem real useful, but some of the stuff they do is just not right. Just saying, just not right. Anyway, I hope y'all have had a blessed day. Uh, it's getting to, this would be my Thursday night. Tomorrow's Friday for me, so yay. Or tonight's Friday for me. Yeah. I need to sleep and wake up, and it's Friday. All that fun stuff. Again, time is a group concept, of which not a member of the group that conceived it, so why be bound by other people's ideas? Just saying. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed day. I'm Williams, Philippines. If you like, please comment, subscribe, come along for my insanity. It's about to get a lot more fun. Uh, Actually, once I get used to the idea of being awake during the days, uh, yeah, Philippines to sit down and have a talk, and I'm so ready to go do that. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and again, more food. Yeah, more family's okay too, but more food's better. The insanities we suffer for family, right? Anyway, uh, Williams, Philippines. I'm Fish. Well, later blessings. Bye bye. Fish is out. Bye.